So I saw this interesting pipe cleaning hack on here, and I wanted to just see if this will work or not. So what you need is some sea salts, either some rubbing alcohol or some acetone, and some tape, and last but certainly not least, some dirty glass. Okay, so the dude in the video, he used electrical tape, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna see if this painter's tape is gonna work. So just wrap like this bowl part here in the carb, making sure that I'm doing a terrible tape job. I apologize. So now when you got it like completely all wrapped up, it looks pretty good. You're going to get some salt and put it in here. It's gonna be super hard. I don't know if I can do this without like a funnel, but we're gonna try. Okay, so a funnel is kind of necessary. We're gonna see if this works. Oh gosh. This is not going so well at all. Okay, hopefully you have like maybe better salt that's not so coarse, because I am just like making a mess. Now that you got your salt in there, hopefully you didn't make as big as a mess as I did. I'm going to try to get just a little bit of acetone in there. Probably like, I would say like a tablespoon or two. I'm not going to measure it out. I didn't measure the salt out either. Okay, so attempt number 2. I'm just going to take this, I took this stuff off, and I'm just going to like reinforce it with a bag. My hands are disgusting. It's all sticky. It's everywhere. But here we go. Alright, I'm having such trouble because I don't have a small enough funnel, so this keeps like coming off. But there is some in there. It's basically, it's just sitting and soaking right now, so we're going to let it soak for like, probably like at least 30 minutes. Okay, it has been, I don't even know how long. I would say probably an hour after. Ew, this is looking gross already. Oh, that's disgusting. Excuse my fingers, disgusting, but it seems to have worked pretty good. I just gotta, I don't know, I probably could have soaked this better, but it's not that bad. You could probably just like scrape it out. Ugh, my nails seem to be done anyways.